The Indian spec 2022 Toyota Hilux has been spied and disguised ahead of launch. The new pickup truck for India has been spotted during TVC shoot ahead of January 2022 launch. The Hilux will use the same IMV2 platform underpinning Toyota segment leaders Innova Crysta and Fortuner SUVs. At over 5.3 meters long and with a wheelbase of about 3.1 meters, it almost matches its closest rival Isuzu V-Cross, which is the only premium lifestyle pickup offering in India. From the spy shots, it's clear that Indian spec will closely match the Thailand version of the Hilux Revo. Overall, the Hilux looks aggressive from the front with those large chrome garnished front grille, bolder skid plates and chrome finished LED headlamps. Also gets L-shaped fog lamp enclosure with round lamp units. The ruggedness is further carried forward to the side with a flat wheel arches, body cladding and a side step. Gets 18-inch single-tone alloys which compensates the large wheel arch of the pickup truck. Toyota is expected to offer the same cabin layout as the Fortuner in India with the same dashboard design and upholstery. Features include a 8-inch infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, automatic climate control unit, electrically adjustable driver seat, multi-functioning steering wheel and others. Toyota will offer the Hilux in two turbo diesel engine options, a 2.4 liter making 150 PS and 400 Nm of torque and a more powerful 2.8 liter unit making 204 PS and 500 Nm of torque. Transmission choice will include a 6-speed manual or an automatic option. A 4-wheel drive variant will be there too for the adventure lovers. Hilux could be priced in the range of 25 to 35 lakhs ex showroom and will rival the Isuzu Highlander and V-Cross pickup trucks which are currently priced between 18 to 25 lakh rupees ex showroom. The Hilux launch is likely to happen January 2022, which is only weeks away from now.